Are you struggling to get traffic to your health or affiliate offers without spending a dime on ads? What if I told you there's a new cloud based tool that literally gets free traffic from YouTube Shorts in minutes, even if you've never made a video before? Stick around because today I'm showing you Health Empire and how it can change your online business overnight. My first impression? Health Empire is insanely beginner friendly. No tech headaches, no fancy software needed. You can literally go from zero to traffic in less than 10 minutes. If you're tired of complicated tools or wasting money on ads, this is a game changer. So, what exactly is Health Empire? It's a cloud based platform designed to help new affiliate marketers, health coaches, or anyone promoting products online get free targeted traffic from YouTube Shorts. No email list, no ad budget, no video skills, no problem. Health Empire automates the hard part, creating, posting, and optimizing shorts to reach your audience fast. Once you log in, you'll see a super clean dashboard. Let me walk you through it. Create a short, pick your niche, add content, and Health Empire handles formatting. Optimize for traffic. It automatically suggests titles, hashtags, and descriptions that get clicks. Publish and automate. Schedule your shorts and let the system drive traffic to your offers. Everything happens inside the platform. No external tools needed.
Tired of failed diets and draining workouts? What if you could transform your body and earn 100% profits by reselling the proven Health Empire PLR? No more guesswork, just results for you and your customers. Get started today and start making profits instantly. Introducing Health Empire PLR. The ultimate all-in-one healthy content solution to guide you step by step toward the most nutritious, happiest version of yourself. It's a one-stop solution for anyone wanting to explore the world of stunning health videos and ebooks. You can customize and rebrand the templates to create unlimited unique content. They can sell on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Etsy, Amazon KDP, and more. No face video creation needed, no video skills required, no stress, no time wasted, and no more downloading files. Gone are the days of struggling to set up complex sales funnels or spending hours creating products from scratch. Today, we bring you the ultimate solution that makes starting or expanding your online empire a breeze. With Health Empire PLR, you can rebrand and resell with 100% profit under your name. This isn't like another package. It's your all-in-one profit machine, ready to go the second you download it. Sell it under your name and keep 100% of the earnings. Imagine earning passive income from your living room using just your laptop. Right now, millions of people are actively searching for ways to make money online. And Health Empire PLR makes it incredibly simple for you to tap into that demand and turn it into dollars. Freelancing and remote work are thriving, and the demand for high-quality digital health content is booming. People everywhere are eager for information that can help them lead healthier lives. And that's where Health Empire PLR comes in. With Health Empire PLR, you'll get healthy video courses, food education content package, daily sport exercise content package, mental health content package, and healthy ebook collection. Every module is designed to grab attention, build trust, and drive 100% profits under your name. Want proof? Here's what HealthEmpire PLR can put into your pocket. And because it's designed for resale, each sale is pure profit. Imagine putting your name on a product and instantly gaining credibility, authority, and income, all without the headaches of product creation. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with HealthEmpire PLR. Imagine what it could do for you. Right now, for a limited time, you can buy HealthEmpire PLR for 90% off for one-time price without a subscription. That's right, you're just one click away from starting your transformation at an unbeatable price. Click the link below to get instant access to HealthEmpire PLR and start generating passive income while you unlock your healthiest, happiest life. Begin your effortless profit journey today.
HealthEmpire comes with a few optional upgrades. OTO1 Pro Traffic Pack, $27. Unlock advanced traffic analytics and scheduling. OTO2 DFY Shorts templates. Pre-made, high-converting shorts ready to post. OTO3 Agency License. Sell this system to clients and keep 100% of the profits. Each upgrade is optional, but they supercharge your results if you want to scale fast. To make this deal even sweeter, I've included 10 exclusive bonuses you'll get if you grab HealthEmpire through my link. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-converting slideshows to repurpose content. Lead book generator. Automatically add leads to your mailing list. Email Timer Plus. Increase conversions with countdown timers inside emails. Conversion Equalizer. Boost your Google Ads and YouTube Shorts results. Sales Page Recycler. Repurpose your sales pages across funnels. Affiliate System for product owners. Manage affiliates and scale your sales. Pin Marketer. Drive free traffic from Pinterest automatically. Sociultima. Supercharge social sharing and free traffic from multiple platforms. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for more targeted search traffic. WP Video Focus. Keep viewers engaged on your pages, preventing traffic loss. Remember, these bonuses are exclusive and only available through my link. They won't be included if you grab HealthEmpire anywhere else. Here's the deal. HealthEmpire is perfect for beginners who want traffic without ads or complicated setups. It's cloud-based, automated, and beginner-friendly. Act fast. These exclusive bonuses expire in 48 hours or are limited to just 25 buyers. Click the link below right now to grab HealthEmpire and claim your bonus stack before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-converting product reviews. And don't forget, to get all my exclusive bonuses, click the link in the description now. HealthEmpire plus these 10+ tools could be the shortcut you need to start seeing results fast.